Pie and welcome back to my channel. I am filming this Boxing Day. So, Merry Christmas. I hope you guys all had a really wonderful Christmas. Mine's been so-so. I will get a little bit into that, I guess, as I go through, but I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I got for Christmas, and, you know, just kind of share with you, most of it is makeup. There's like a little bit of jewelry, but yeah, my family knows what I want. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what I got for Christmas, stay tuned. Also, subscribe to my channel. As always, there will be videos popping up here, there will be videos down in the description, and there will be videos after this video that you can go check out. I'm sure there's something on my channel that is worthwhile watching to you. Alright, let's get into this video. So, the first, let's dive into this Christmas. Now, the beginning of this Christmas was great. It was absolutely beautiful. Christmas Eve, I actually had to work, but I literally made like $78 in tips, and you know, a few of the customers were like, oh, you know, they gave me a couple gifts, and you know, sometimes I think that being a customer service person, someone that deals with people every day, especially if you're dealing with the exact same people every day, you're going to learn them, you're going to learn about them, and, you know, you'll probably end up being friends with them. But yeah, anyways, I made a lot of money in tips, and then I got off at 6 o'clock, and we came home, we watched a movie, and then Christmas Day, we had the whole day together, and then the tragedy struck. So the way we park our cars actually in our parking lot is vertically like this. So if you can imagine the house being here and then some cars parked like this and the road being right here. There's also a road that goes beside here. So it's like road, building, car. Well, since we have Matt's dad living with us right now for a bit, we have two cars. So there's like our car, and then there's his car normally, and then there's Matt's grandpa's car, and then there's like another car and another car on the other side. Well, I guess Matt's grandpa was backing out of the parking lot and didn't look to see that Matt's car was behind his dad's car, and he destroyed the door of our car. Our brand new 2018. So yeah, we had to get insurance and all that kind of stuff involved, and it was just a mess and a disaster, and you know, some other stuff happened I don't really feel privy going into, but needless to say, it was a freaking disaster. So that's the bad news. Our car's getting fixed. It'll be fixed in like 3 days. Our insurance company is amazing, but yeah, there was some stuff along the way that definitely should not have happened that did, and yeah, regardless. Anyway, let's get into some makeup. Let's get into some stuff. Now, two of these things I bought with money that I actually got on Christmas. That's normally what Matt's parents do. They give us some cash. I really enjoy it because I like to pick out what I want for Christmas. So, yeah, anyway, you know, we can talk about those right now. So, I have been trying out this company for a while now. I just finished using their the Antioxidant Coffee Bean Hydrogel mask, and it is really, really nice. Now, I will try and link this brand, but it's a completely Korean brand. I think it is actually made in Korea. Yeah, made in Korea. And for Christmas, they brought out these sets, and they were actually $20. This one has a 3-piece. It has a gold face mask, gold eye patches, and then a gold gel lip mask. And then this one has a hand mask, fiber face mask, gel mask, and gel patches for the eyes. I like this brand a lot. I've been trying them out more and more. I think I'm going to do kind of a comprehensive review on them at some point once I try out some more of their products, but I also have an empties coming up with a few of their products that I've already used. I used this one today and my face is actually feeling really like refreshed, although I think that I have a little bit of a tan going on that doesn't exist. Either way, I got those. Now, Matt actually picked me up some products from Nip and Fab, and this is a brand that I've been talking about for a while. I kind of pointed out that Shoppers was having a sale and that he could probably pick up a few products that he thought would be good for me. So I ended up, he ended up getting, I should say, the Nip plus Fab Skin Dragonblood Fix Plumping Mask. And I haven't even opened this yet. Let's smell it. Oh, well, safety tab is a good thing. Okay, it's like a, ooh, it is very scented. I'd say almost eucalyptus. I swear, after all that craziness, I'm just like on edge. Okay, Melissa, stop eating. Cashews. Okay, so as I was saying, no eucalyptus in this, oddly enough. It smells a lot like it though. Very perfumey. And I don't see perfume on it either. No. Well, that's good. It does have dimethicone in it though. Anyway, the next product that I got was the Nip Fab Skin Dragonblood Fix Cleansing Pads. These have hyaluronic acid in them. What else do they have? Salicylic acid. Dragon's Blood comforts and restores through skin hydration. Sounds good. We'll give them a try. I've never tried anything from Nip plus Fab, so I'm kind of excited. So the next thing that I got was actually like a Christmas Day thing. So was this. But yes, my husband picked out the Jouer Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer. But I have used this twice now, and I have realized this is way too dark. So I'm contemplating bringing this back. I know the Sephora that is closest to me does not sell Jouer, so I would literally have to go get my money back and order again online. But this is a good concealer, and I'm kind of torn because I'm like, what do I do? Anyway, next thing I was totally surprised by. I did not see this coming, but it was this. So pretty. Matt is such a sweetheart. He always wants me to get things that I am going to always use and always love and always have, and that's what I love about him. So it's silver necklace with some jewels in it. Probably not diamonds, but yeah, they're cute anyway. The next thing I got, which was another unexpected one, was this adorable little brush set. Now, it came with this bag right here, and you have got to see these brushes. Look at these. I might get some close-ups of these products. I'm not sure. I'm not going to promise you that yet. But they have, like, the ferrule is so shiny. I did take some pictures for Instagram, so you can totally go check that out. And these don't seem like that bad, like, of quality. I really love synthetic brushes. I love them for foundation, which this one seems like it would be perfect. Although the bag totally does shed glitter everywhere. I like it. I think it was a very sweet, thoughtful gift, him knowing that I love makeup and I really don't need that much more makeup. I need tools. Now, the pièce de résistance, the thing that I was so excited for, was this. He purchased, I put like I put a whole bunch of palettes in my wish list, and then I told him, just go through my wish list, pick some stuff that you like. And he picked the Tartist Pro Remix palette. It looks like this. And I wore this today. It is not on my eyes right now. What is on my eyes right now is the Pretty Rich palette, which I'm going to do a review on hopefully today. But yeah, the Pretty Rich palette, the Tartist Pro Remix, I will have a review out probably maybe next week for this. There are some bomb shades in here. I think like this is like pretty much the first Tarte palette I've got, I think, because Tarte has never inspired me, but this one is really pretty, and like the packaging on it is really cool as well. It's like, you know, that weird packaging. Oh, anyway, the last couple things that I got were, Matt ended up getting me the little, they have like the little Pat McGrath lipstick sets, and he ended up getting me the lipstick set, so I got like the little bag. I totally threw it out. I'm so sorry. It was really cool though, because it had like the little, what are they called? Confetti in it. So I'll just swatch. I've got this one on my lips right now. Oh no, maybe it's not this one. The first one here is in Flesh 3. Then you have 1995, which is what I'm wearing. And then you have Omi, which is a lighter one. So yeah, those are the three, and I am wearing today, I am wearing this one in 1995. And one thing I did just notice, this one is a little bit loose. So I'm just going to push it down into its little container, just so we don't have any mishaps. We've had enough mishaps this Christmas. So yeah, guys, the rest was actually just a promotion code that I got him to use when I knew he was making the order. So I got like a little Stila, this is their Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. I got the Milk Makeup Blur Stick, which I'm not sure, I might put a few of these things in my upcoming giveaway. There will be a giveaway soon, I promise you. I'm just trying to kind of gather things up. This is the Marc Jacobs lip gloss in Love Bliss. This is the Sugar Dream Advanced Therapy Sheer Pink Lip Treatment. Oh, this is so cute, and they put a lot of work into this. You actually have to twist it, and you get quite a lot of product. Oh my. And then you also get a Shiseido, which I've never tried anything from this brand. This one is in Exotic Red. Look at this bullet. Look at that bullet. It looks so cool. I thought this was a full size. Like, I wonder how big their actual lipsticks are. Anyway, and then I got a couple other little things. This is the Checks and Balances Frothy Face Wash and the Sephora Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. So yeah, lots of little samples and little things. But yeah, guys, that is everything that I got for Christmas 2018. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm going to do my favorites soon. My favorites of the year will probably be up after the first of the year, because I need some time to film it, and I'm really collaborating my thoughts on what I thought were the best products this year, and kind of going back into my channel and seeing if I still love all the products that I loved last year. So yeah, anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys had a beautiful holiday, whatever you celebrate, even if you don't celebrate at all, because my parents, my dad and my Nana are both Jehovah's Witnesses, so they celebrate in a different way. Alright, thank you guys so much for, watching, and I'll see you guys later.